Hey guys, today I'll be talking about content aware and perspective crops in Photoshop. So, welcome back to Mastering in Photoshop in 30 days and hit the subscribe button if you like the content. And with this, today I'm in Photoshop. I have drag and drop this image here. And what if I wanna make some more area, like this photo should be wider? So with the crop tool, I'm holding shift and alt from the keyboard and dragging it so that it works open all the areas proportionately. It's in the ratio, so it become wider, but the extra space is now black. I want to fill it with the content that is already, like, it should be seem to be an extension of what we see right now in the image. So select the magic wand tool from the toolbar, select the black area, click on that, and it is all selected, and go to edit, fill. Here use content aware and hit OK. You can see this works like magic and it's all converted to extension of the image that we have. And now this is the second case. We have a sunset photograph. And what if I'm gonna increase the crop style here to one side only? Like, what if I just want not to be proportionately centered, whether it should just be for one sided? So with the crop tool again from the toolbar, without holding alt, only holding shift, I'm just dragging one side a little bit like this, hit OK. Now with magic wand again I select it, go to edit, fill, and now I select content aware, fill, and hit OK. You can see the image is extended now. This is the magic of Photoshop. And now let's select the perspective crop tool from the crop tool only. Hit right click on there and you can select perspective crop tool. With this, I'm gonna make a perspective, something like this on the screen, and then hit OK. You can see that particular area is now extended as a different rectangle. This way I can, if I want a rectangle, if I want a gradient style, I could make some sunset gradients from this image without taking or thinking of any colors. I can just make a perspective over there and crop it up, and it's all nicely done by Photoshop. So this way you can use textures or gradients or colors that you have in photograph once you collect it. So I think this video will inspire you for some nice and creative editings from photograph for your graphics and textures. So if you find this video helpful, do comment below and give this a video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and bell icon, and not miss the next video.